By being grateful, we can illuminate even the most difficult situations. Just like lighting a candle in the dark. Armed with this candle of gratefulness, we can bring warmth and light to any situation you face. We can choose each and every day to live with gratitude. We can be grateful for particular situations, people that we meet, or anything that happens to us. True gratefulness can be practiced with anything that comes into our life. There might be difficult situations and people, but we can still be grateful for the lessons we learn along the way, or the mere fact that we have already moved on, appreciating that things are better now. When we experienced a very difficult relationship, the gratefulness we feel when we finally find harmony in our future relationship will be that much greater. I would like to invite you to put your hands to your heart and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath. We are going to practice gratefulness because practice makes mastery. Every time you sense the gratefulness within, notice through feeling what it truly means to you. I am grateful for my life. Through my life experience, I learn, I cry, I laugh, and I evolve. And I am grateful. I am grateful for my health. My health supports me in every adventure I decide to take. I am grateful for my body. I remember all that my body has gone through, and I am extra grateful for my body. I am grateful for my eyes. They allow me to see spectacular and miraculous things, art and nature in a variety of colors, every day in this world. I am grateful. I am grateful for my sense of smell. My smell guides me when visible signs are not present, and it opens my being to the wonderful aromas of nature. I smell flowers, morning dew, rain in the air. I smell earth. I smell forest. I am grateful. I am grateful for my voice. I can talk and express myself. My voice vocalizes all of my wishes and beliefs. I am grateful. I am grateful for my taste. I taste peaches and mangoes. I taste my salty tears. I taste water. I am grateful. I am grateful for my hearing. I hear music. I hear my loved ones. I hear the words, I love you. I hear nature. I hear birds. I am grateful. I am grateful for this world. I am grateful for the water I drink. I am grateful to this world for bringing me water to hydrate. bringing air to my lungs. Growing food that I eat. And holding people who I love. I am grateful. I am grateful when I wake up. And I am grateful when I go to sleep.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight-to-the-point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.